News reporter Dan Koob is live in Ocean City to see what the conditions are like there. Hey, Dan.
Jim, good morning to you. They continue to deteriorate of sorts. The rain continues to get heavier as the sun comes up and the day moves on, as does the wind. Now, it's not as windy now as it was just a half hour ago, but now as the sun has come up, we can see the waves, we can see the boardwalk. We'll keep it here on the boardwalk here, Scott. As you can see, the rain continues to pound the boards. The only people we have seen out this morning are joggers. Now on the streets, notice some pretty noticeable ponding on street corners and stuff like that. So if you are in and around Ocean City, we're at the Music Pier of Ocean City. If you're trying to get around this morning, make sure you're sticking to high ground areas. That is according to Ocean City Emergency Management. They want to make sure that you are safely crossing the island if you have to move your vehicle this morning. People, as I said, have been jogging up and down the boards, but that's really the only thing we have seen other than the torrential downpours that have moved through this entire area. Maybe you can see this gentleman jogging all the way towards our live location here. But as I said, it has continued to deteriorate of sorts. The rain continues to get heavier. The wind started to pick up a little bit, starting to blow in my face. And listening to Larissa throughout the entire morning, Jim and Janelle, it sounds like it's going to continue to do this and maybe potentially get a little windier and continue to see some of that heavy downpour. We're live in Ocean City, New Jersey. Dan Koob, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Yeah, definitely a messy start to the Friday morning down there, Dan. All right, thanks so much.